Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make authenticated Sri Lankan Kos Malluma. Add turmeric and salt to the tender jackfruit, cover it with water and boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add the grated coconut, green chilies, curry leaves, onion, salt, turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds and pepper to a grinder. Mix in the paste to the shredded boiled jackfruit and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, then squeeze fresh lemon juice at the end. Mix everything well and serve this delicious traditional Sri Lankan Kos Malluma with your favorite rice and curries. Enjoy!